So it's the sensor. Well, the old one fortunately broke. The bottom section broke on here, but it's okay because it's the old one. I'm gonna replace it for the new one. Had to use some WD-40. Hopefully we're gonna be able to take it off. Gonna be able to take it out from that section. That manifold, you had to lift it up. Let's cover the manifold holes here so nothing gets in there. Disconnect all the hoses, connectors. So it's telling you the air intake box. Seems very complicated, but it's not as complicated. You can do it yourself. Just be careful not breaking hoses or connectors. Be really gentle as you lift in the manifold. You have to check for connectors, hoses, so you don't break anything.